Oh yeah, there you go. Today I'm gonna replace the front air valve block on my '05 Land Rover LR3. You got it from Atlantic British. Good OEM parts. It's got various of these. Well, it's got a bunch of stuff. It's got these dumb clips, plastic clips. I use a flathead to pry them off, and then I'll put one of these flat wire strippers. That's the best way to take them off without breaking them. There's a couple of them. There's some 5/16s, two 5/16s, and a Phillips that's holding the mud guard or whatever this thing is. Mud guard, yeah. And then, like I said, you take them off. They're all over the place. That's where the 5/16s were at. Got a clip here, one in the back over here, another one up there, one up here. It's got two over here, one here. Then it's got has a Phillips right here. They didn't have nothing over here, so I don't know if they're missing or don't know. You got your air leveling thing right there, sensor. And then, of course, your air strut. You gotta take this fender off. You just pull on it. Should just come off real easy. Oh yeah, just like that. That's how you take it off. Once you're all done, it should pop back in real easy. Yeah, gotta clean it up too. Got a lot of crap in it. Like I said, once you loosen everything up, it should just come out real easy. Like that. There you go. You take that off. Oh, that's so nasty. The plastic fender off. That's where it is. You take the two rear ones off, the bottom one, unclip it, and then just replace the old one with the new one, and you're good to go. Let's see how it goes. It might have some pressure, so let's see if I don't lose it. You got your 12. Oh, tighten it up. Loosen them up. The heck was that? I'll figure where that goes. So that's one. It's got a clip right there. Might as well use a I don't want to break it. Yeah, some of them are tricky. See if I can place this thing on. Again, don't have my tripod. Lost it somehow. That was easy. You do that, then do the rear ones. Oh, come on. Oh, wrong side. Can't get to it. There, yeah, it just sits on this plate in the back here. Move your wires to the side. Just pull it up and it should pop right off. Just like that. That's one right there. Then I got two more in the back, which for some reason I feel like they might be a different size or something. Maybe, I don't know. Oh. Yeah, you gotta be careful with these damn things. You don't want to break them. Where can I put this phone? Oh my god. I'll just take random ones. Let's yeah, you replace all the old ones with the new ones. Just set it up in there. Don't forget to put the little grommets in there and tighten them. Make sure that little line is in there real good. There you go. So they're a little bit tricky, but gotta get them in there real good.